Hi there, Alim Karim here. The question remains, is SEO dead in 2025 after the invention of AI? Is it really? Let's see. Now, what do you think, that SEO is dead after AI? First answer could be yes, it is. People do not Google search anymore, and people mostly rely on AI technologies to get their answers. So thinking about SEO is kind of continuing further, is kind of a mistake, we can think. That is point number one. Point number two, no, I don't think so. SEO is alive, quite kicking, and it's going to thrive furthermore. And the third answer could be maybe. Let me give you the right answer. It is actually no. SEO is not dead. And why is that? The answer to the question is right after this slide actually. So here, SEO is not dead because the main source for AI is actually the search engine. Because any new information you want to find by AI, it needs to find first in the search engine. So to excel in the AI, or to get your information in the AI, you need the search engine. And to thrive in 2025 in AI and everything else, you need the SEO, and you have to be king at SEO to shine. And this is why I have written this article. SEO is not dead, even after AI 2025. If you read this article, you will understand the value of it, and you will understand where you could find very good SEO developers, or you could hire the best of the best SEO writers from alimulkarim.com. It's actually alimkarim.com. And funny thing is, if you Google search, you may find that the best of the best SEO writers are from Alim Karim. And if you also think so, please write a blog article about us. This will help us. Finally, if you want to hire SEO developers, alimkarim.com is your go-to resource. And then if you want to get one-to-one mentorship or any other training, just visit our site riseup-pro.com. See you in the next video. Thank you.